اهلا بيكم في سيفار تريدنج روم. النهارده الثلاث 5 جولاي 2020 الساعه 2 بي ام تريد. 2 p.m. usually work the best when the market is choppy in the open or flat, which is kind of the case today. Market was no movement, like moving sideways. So let's hope for some movement at 2 p.m. and then we're gonna have 3:30. So at 2 p.m. we're gonna trade up to maybe we're gonna wait for trade until maybe 2:30. If at 2:30 no trades, we'll close the trading room and then trade again at 3:30. That's it. Let's wait for that trade. It's almost 3 minutes now until the 2 p.m. active trade. Let's see what we will have. Almost 2 minutes. Been testing the 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. trades since a month now, and the result is beautiful. Doesn't mean it's gonna be every winning day every day, but overall, it's very, very good. In June, we have 2 trades, 2 p.m. One of them 25 points, other one is 26 points. Just 2 trades in 2 different days. Yes, we do have some losing days, some like 2 points trade, 5 points trade, but overall, it was good results. If you guys check the lots, everything is there. We have almost 1 minute until the 2 p.m. Market is ranging here. You see, market is ranging big time. Hopefully, they're going to be moving up or down. Let's see. And we have almost 15 minutes, actually 20 minutes until the 10 a.m. trade. Sorry, 2 p.m. trade. We have 9 seconds. And we have 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's 2 p.m. Let's see. Sometimes I get set up 2 p.m. maybe 2:15, sometimes 2:30, sometimes 2:05. I don't know. It depends. But it's not going to be fast. But I remember last month, market was like this for at least 20 minutes. And I wait for 15 minutes. And then I said, okay, you know what? No setup. And then I go away. At 2:30, got a trade with almost 30 points. And then I missed. It's fine. سامعين يا جماعة؟ You guys hear me? Do you hear me? Okay. Like I said, please trade in micro. I'm trading micro. 2 p.m., 3 p.m. Yes, I tested for a month, but I need to be because in the morning confident you set up the morning gonna trade big. So don't trade in mini, E-mini, trade E-micro, or trade on SIM or trade small size. No setup so far? And by the way, we will trade at 2 p.m., 3:30 p.m. We're gonna trade RTY and ES, by the way, not only RTY. From tomorrow after tomorrow, we're gonna trade RTY and ES. Both. I'm gonna trade ES the same way we trade RTY, but only at 2 p.m., 3:30. Usually after this consolidation, since it's almost 1 p.m., 1 hour consolidation, we should see a move. We should see a move happening, or either up or down. Let's see. Three minutes passed, no trades. We might go long. Let's see. There is a long setup. I'm gonna add my buy stop limit at 17204. 17204, and we could cancel it, but let's see. It's gonna be at 1,720.4. This is gonna be my buy stop limit. Yeah, 1720.4, still the same. If the market pivots, I will add my entry 4 ticks above this pivot. See the market starting pivoting now around this area. This one is acting as resistance. Actually, I'm going to keep it at the same 1720. That's fine. And let's see. So we are waiting long at 1720.4. Actually, 1720.4. We are waiting to go long RTY. And we can cancel it and go short if we get another signal short. But let's see. The good thing about 2 p.m., 3:30 p.m., there is a lot of time to check the market and take your breath when you take a trade. Open is like quick. Yeah, it's finding big profit very quick. but you know, sometimes you do mistakes because the market's moving so fast. Like today, we have with the first trade we got, which losing. If this trade market was a little bit slow, I will not take it. There was pivot before it, but I didn't realize it market was moving so slow, so fast. So I just jump in. If the market goes slow, I will take all the short one. So that's some of the benefits of trading 2 p.m., 3:30 p.m. But you know, the best time to trade is always the morning, hands down. But this is an extra option. Still waiting. Nine minutes passed, no trade. Still waiting for the long. If the 2:30 came, no trades, we will close a trading room and open at 3:30. Sometimes it happens. That's why we trade ES and RTY, both of them. So if you got to trade an RTY, you take it. You got the ES, you take it. Let's see. And one day I took the 2 p.m. trade at 2:15 or 2:20. I exit this trade at 3:25. It was almost 1 hour trade. So sometimes takes time. Just do it. Still waiting. By the way, this Friday we have the unemployment rate, 8:30 in the morning. So we're gonna open the market Friday, 8:30 for the unemployment rate. We are still waiting.
Yes, sir.
Still waiting. Market is ranging between these two. This day remind me of the day like I told you about. We had this choppiness for 30 minutes and then boom, we have a big trade. Let's see. Doesn't mean gonna be the same, but just remind me. We are still waiting.
Order submitted.
This is another strategy, guys. So don't worry about it. It's not for here. So, no. Yeah, that's happened. This is 2 p.m. This 2 p.m. Usually what happens at 2 p.m. Market do like this, this, and then boom, either side. This usually happens at 2:30, but sometimes it can happen early. So I just want to join. I want to get ready and participate when this moves happen early. That's the point. But this not a like open market gonna be move. No, it's not gonna happen. Only if the FOC, it's gonna be at 2 p.m. Twice a month. Still waiting for this long? Market hitting toward our entry. This is not this one, the other one, but market hitting now towards our entry for the R2. We are in the market. We're gonna move all our contracts now at 1717.0. All, actually, no, just two of them. Leave the third one the same. Leave the third one. Third one actually is gonna be a little bit lower, to be honest. I'm gonna add the third one now at 1714.6. But the other half, or the two, other two gonna be at, if you're doing two, so one gonna be at 1714.6, another one gonna be at 17.2. And just leave. And just leave. Now move the third one. Now move all of them now at 1717.4. 1717.4. All your contract. But leave one tick between them. Don't attach them together. Just 1717.4, 0.3, 0.2, like that. And it's illegal. First target, first contract 19 ticks break even. And the second one, actually, I'm gonna add it. Oh, sorry, that first target. No, first one break even. So I'm gonna add the second one now at 1718.3. What is that? This is not the trade. So first one now, guys, break even. First one break even. Second one added at 1718.1. And the third one, first target hit, nice. First target hit. So now I'm gonna keep the last one at 1718.6. 1718.6. And because I'm trading three, so I'm keeping one of them to trade it. And the last one, I will be using the big wave. Market now moving almost 4.3. So now I'm gonna reduce. I'm gonna actually put my stop 4 ticks below this So my stop now for this contract, the last one is gonna be a little bit lower at 1718.2. And if you're using two contracts, just add it at 1718.2 if you want, or add it at the 4 ticks. Like I told, the 4 ticks here. This 40 ticks trailing. You can, by the way, if you guys want to use it, like I told you before in a video, if you want to use automatic, you can add it 40 ticks auto trail by itself. You don't need to do anything. But for me, I'm adding 10% from the move to this. When the market move 40 ticks, so I'm adding 40 ticks, which is going to be 4 ticks. So I'm adding my stop 4 ticks below this white point. It's up to you. You want to use this one or 10%, up to you, but you have to be consistent. You have to be using either one of them each time. You cannot pick and share. Like, I'm gonna use this time, no. Have to be using one of them or other all the time. It's up to you. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, market now move almost 5%. So I'm gonna add my stop now. Gonna be at 1716.6. Yeah, let me lower a little bit. 1716.5. I'm getting the second one now at, because I'm trailing one of them. So I'm gonna take some profit. I'm gonna have it 1721.7. 1721.7. Market now moving almost 5 points, 50 ticks. So I'm gonna add now my stop. Now it's trailing. Now I'm using now the 2.4 trailing for the ES, not here. Because I'm trading ES now. R2I is trailing beautifully. 6 points now from the entry. So I'm gonna add my stop now. I'm gonna be at 6 points. Gonna be at 1720. And I already secured from the second one, because I'm using 3, I already secured almost 2 points. So I secured 2 points from this contract. This one is like almost break even or maybe less than a point. So I'm already green in this trade, regardless what happens. So for now, so far, I'm freeless. I'm freeless. I'm, no motions. Regardless what happened, I am free. And the 6 points, so I'm gonna add now 1 second. 1 second. I'm gonna add my stop now for this one at break even. For the last one, break even. Just add a break even. That's it. And leave it. And leave it. I am still in the trade. ES trade by ES trade is beautiful. ES trade is beautiful. Oh my God. ES trade is beautiful. ES trade, I'm still trailing the second one and the third one, almost 5 points profit. And it's beautiful trade. Yes. We will start trading ES from tomorrow. ES R2R, 2 p.m. at 3:30. Still adding my stop at the same. Are you guys at this trade? No, you cannot enter this. No. No. You have to show you when to enter, when to exit, what you stop. It's not random, anybody. Don't ever enter the market where you don't know exactly when you have profit, exactly when you stop lose, exactly when you move your stop. No. Almost 7 points from the entry now, RTY, and we're still trading. Keep your stop at the same. Do not move. Keep your stop at the same. You are in what, buddy? The RTY, right? Yeah. This is all the sound from the ES. ES is working beautiful. Oh my God. 8 points. So we're gonna move our stop now to 1721.0. 1721.0. I'm testing three contracts, and yes, almost $2,000 profit in the ES trade. Wow. And the market now is moving almost 8 points. So we're gonna move our stop now. It's gonna be at 1721.5. 1721.5. So leave it the same. Leave it at the same. Please tell if there another entry. No, man. There is another entry now. If I go long now, RTY, but I don't like it. Did you exit early? Did you exit early? Eight points now. Oh my God, ES is on the move, man, on the move. Oh my God. So now almost 9 points from the entry. So we're gonna move our stop now, gonna be at 1722.1. Holy shit. Holy shit. Guys, I secured from the ES now, only from the second, from first one of them. I secured 81 ticks, sorry, 61 ticks. So 61 divided by 4. I don't know how much. From all the numbers in my head, I can do nothing more. 61 divided by 4, it's 15 points. 15 points times 50 is 700, and another one 700, almost up almost $3,000 in this trade, in the ES trade. So 9 points from the entry. Now we almost now at the home run trade. 9 points. So I'm gonna add my stop now to be at 1722.4. 1722.4. If you're gonna add your stop here, do it. But I'm adjusting the stop 9 ticks below this. So if you guys see, this 12 ticks should be 9 ticks. Only 12 ticks here. Should be 12 ticks. Should be 9 ticks. Can add it light there. Yeah, maybe right here. So I'm gonna add my stop now to be now at 1722.9. 1722.9. We're still in this trade. When we have like a big day moving morning, like 3 points move, 4 points move, I will not trade 2 p.m. ever, because it's gonna be garbage. I will trade the 3:30, not the 2. But when you have a choppy day like today, like no movement, like 1 point, like up, 2 p.m. would be nice. I'm gonna reduce my risk a little bit. I'm gonna take some profit now. So we have my stop at 1724.9. 1724.9. I feel that we are now hitting the BP area of the pivot for Fibonacci. So I have a feeling market might retrace a little bit. So I give myself profit. So if the market jump in, I will not, lose all this profit again. Now I secured from this contract, I secured 4 points, actually 5 points. And from the second one, almost 2 points. So 7 points and 2.4, almost 10 points this trade, almost. So I'm adding my stop now at 1724.9. That's going to be my stop.
Stop.
ES first context stop. Second actually. First was 2.4, the second one. But you're gonna use different target, different, you know. I'm not gonna use 40 ticks, like 10 points ES. No. No. We're not gonna use 10 points ES for 3 contracts. It's gonna be like $1,500 if you lose a trade. No. It's gonna be different. Should we still in the straight? Still in the straight. I'm gonna stick with my system, you know. So I'm gonna get back my stop to be. If you're gonna keep your stop here, you can do it. If you're gonna keep your stop, no short signal, no short signal at all. If you see any, but if I have any, you will know. You need to ask. If I see any trades, you will know. And this is one trade, just one trade. 2 p.m. it's one trade. That's it. We might reverse if we get on a signal quickly, but it's only one trade. We're not gonna trade like the whole day. No, just one trade. 10 points. From the entry. And I'm gonna get back to my rules, man. I'm not gonna mess with this because sometimes my ticks up, but my rules say 9 points, 10 points. So I'm gonna get back my stop. If you're gonna keep it the same here at 1724.9, do it, but I'm gonna stick with my rules. So my stop I'm gonna get my stop back here to 9 points from this. It's gonna be 1723.2. This is gonna be my stop. If you want to add it back, it's open. No, I cannot. This is, again, guys, you understand the trades. The trading is not what you think now you have to do. It's about your rules. What is your rules? Do I have a rule to take profit now? Do I have a rule for that? My trading plan? I have a trading plan written. Do I have a rule to exit the trade? هي مش الموضوع مش عباره عن مشاعر. الخوف والقلق والجريد والفومو بس. I don't have a rule, so I'm not gonna exit. انا حطيت البروفيت تارجت بقى. ستيل مشاعر الانسان بتتغلب بعض الاحيان. انا حطيت الانتري بتاع الستوب هنا مع العلم ده مش اجنست ماي رول. ما عنديش رول بتقول انا هاخد تريد تحت البيفت، ما عنديش الكلام ده. ستيل did it لان انا ستيل هيومن ميد ميستيكس. بقى لما قعدت افكر ايه الهبل اللي انا بعمله. It's not my rules. My rule بتقول ان انا my stop gonna be 10% under the 40 ticks or above the 40 ticks regardless. That's it. That's my rule. لان لو ما عملتش كده مش هعرف اتكاتش 20% 20 بوينت وال 40 بوينتس، مش هعرف اتكاتش ماركت. مفيش سبيس انه يموف. الماركت دايما بيبقى عامل يموف وبعدين بول باك، ديبر بول باك، وبعدين يكونتينيو هاير. That's all of the market. Market not gonna move like they didn't know. They all pull back. When you get the market, لما تدي الماركت سبيس بتاعته يسموها time to breathe. Stretch and then move. It might not happen. Maybe might hit my stop loss now and I, give this profit. But at the long run, if I stick with my rules, I mean more profit. That's it. لو انت عايز تعمل لنفسك trading your own trading rule بالاستراتيجي دي do it، بس لازم تبقى مجربها. يعني ما ينفعش مثلا ايه عشان النهارده اشتغلت معاك كويس هي شغاله كويس. ممكن تشتغل معاك النهارده كويس بس على اللونج ران زباله. جربتها خلال شهر 2 3 4 5. عايز تعمل your own plan. يعني في حد مثلا كان معاه بياخد بروفيت عند 20 تكس مش 24. اتس اب تو هيم. هو اختار ان هو عايز يعمل بروفيت اول واحد 20 تكس مش 24 تكس. دو ات. في واحد تاني اللي هياخد 24 تكس من الفيرست 1 ومن السكند 1 هياخد 10 تكس 10 بوينت. مش عايز ياخد 20 بوينت. لا اب تو. Still in the trade. انتوا خرجتوا من تريد محمد علي وعمر. اكزيت. يو ار اوت ناو. وات في خرجتوا تريد. I'm still in the trade. Let's see. Still in? Okay. عمر trading mini or micro? Micro. Patience. Because my max threshold is for consumer, so I was thinking of taking the profit. But yeah, man, no. If you're using, guys, listen. Just be with me for a second. Just 1 second. Sorry, folks. Still on this trade. And I'm still the yes trader. That's the funny thing. Both of them. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I was talking about that trailing threshold. لو انت بتتريد ايفالويشن اكونت بقولها اي ايفالويشن اكونت في تريلينج ثريشولد زي ايبكس زي الحاجات دي لازم to make your own rule. ما ينفعش to give up like 10 points profit مثلا. You're gonna kill your threshold. And actually the RTY is done. That's it. Yes, we didn't catch the big move, but we stick with our rules. That's the good thing. Okay, see you guys at 3:30. Like I said, trade your own, make your own rules. اهم حاجه تبقى شايف قدامك الماكس ثرو داون, and that's it. Okay, see you guys at 3:30.